Hi, David Wiseman here, creator of DBA Dash. DBA Dash already has a wide range of features and functionality, which can be extended even further through custom collections and custom reports. In this demonstration, we're going to look at setting up a custom collection for SP Blitz, a popular health check script for SQL Server. To get started, we'll load the service configuration tool. Custom collections can either be configured for individual SQL instances on the Source tab. We can scroll along to Custom Collections, click the View Edit button, and here's where we configure the collection. The other options to configure a collection that will apply to all SQL instances. To do that, we go to the Options tab, go to Custom Collections. Here we'll need to connect to a particular instance. That's just to display the Store Procedure drop-down. I'm going to select SP Blitz. We'll set it to run at midnight, and we'll also run it when the service starts. This is a cron schedule, so it's fully customizable. You can override the default timeout. The first step is to prep the repository database for the new collection. To do that, we're going to click this Get Script button. Here we've got a choice to make about data retention. If you choose 0, it'll clear out the previous collection. If you choose a value over 0, table partition will be set up to efficiently clear out older collections. I'll just use the default. Though for SP Blitz, you might just want to keep the latest collection. We'll paste the script in Management Studio. We'll have a quick review of the script. First part of the script here is just to set up the data retention. This allows DBA Dash to take care of the retention for us. We'll set up some partition schemes and functions. We'll create a user-defined type. This is what we're going to use to pass the data to the store procedure that will handle the data import. We'll create a table to store the information. This is our data import store procedure. And these are the custom reports that we're going to create. This call here is just to set up the initial partitions, and we've got a cleanup script which is commented out here. This can just undo all the steps above. It's worth noting that this is fully customizable, so you can set up the collections exactly how you want them. The important parts are this user-defined type and the signature for this store procedure for the data import. So just going to run this. We'll go back to the configuration tool. We'll click Update. We'll save the configuration changes. Go to the Destination tab. We'll stop the service and we'll start the service. That's just to pick up the configuration changes. We'll go back to DBA Dash. We'll click Filter, Clear All. This is just going to refresh the tree so we can see the new custom reports. So we've got an SP Blitz example. This is the SP Blitz data collected for all the SQL instances. We can also navigate down to a particular instance and click the report, and that's showing the data just for that one instance. At this level, we also have a SP Blitz snapshot report, and this just provides access to previous snapshots. So if we stop the service, start it again, we'll get another collection, and we should see another snapshot in here. And that can just provide access to the previous snapshots. We can do a bit better with our reporting. I'm going to start by getting rid of the existing reports. I'm going to create some new reports based off an example I've got on GitHub. Again, custom reports are basically just store procedures in the user report schema with a particular set of parameters. Some of those parameters are used to provide context, so the DBA Dash will provide the parameters, and you can specify any additional parameters that you want for your report. In addition to the store procedure, there's also some metadata, which is the customizations you can make in the UI. We'll just run this script. Filter, clear all, just to refresh the reports again. The old reports have gone and we've got a new SP Blitz report. This is now shown a summary level report for the SP Blitz data that was collected. So we've got some clickable links here. We can go to the URLs. And we've also got some drill downs here as well. So we've got the issues that have been reported, and we can see how many instances are affected. We can click the links to see the details behind those. So we've got 8 issues here spread across 2 servers. And we can see the details. You can make these customizations yourself. You can right click, you can add these links, you can select a drill down link and select the parameter mappings. You can also have the link load a query plan, load the SQL in a editor, navigate through URL. Once you've made any customizations to your reports, you can click script report, and that's just going to generate a script for your store procedure and any customizations you've made in the UI. And that's been a demonstration of custom collections and custom reports with DBA Dash. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.